Hey y'all, welcome to another video. My name is Sensationnel, but I go by Keeks, Keeks on the beat, or Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. Today we're doing a review of this beautiful, y'all, I'm obsessed with this wig. Today we're doing a review video sponsored by Samsbeauty, so shout out to Samsbeauty for providing me this really beautiful unit and a separate wig kit to install this unit. Now, this wig is giving like a timeless Hollywood glam, like new bombshell has entered the villa, like it's beautiful. I love it. Just stick around so you guys can see how I styled it and got it to this beautiful, voluminous situation. Y'all, I'm obsessed. First of all, let's get into like the texture of this unit. It's like a kinky texture, so it really does mimic like natural hair. Like, I could get away with saying this was like a first silk press vibes. Like, she's so freaking cute. I love the versatility. Like, I did like the little flip over method. You could do a side part if you would like. But you see how these curls lay and stay whichever way you put them? That's because of that layering technique, y'all. So make sure y'all utilize that in y'all next install and see how your curls turn out, because it would definitely bring your unit to life even more. I do want to speak about the lace, because this is like a wood lace. We clocking it a little bit, y'all, just a tad. Y'all see it's giving a little Casper right there, but nonetheless, for this to be a synthetic unit, I'm really impressed. Like, Sensationnel came a long way, y'all. Sensationnel came a long way. As y'all can see, I can't even stop touching my hair. I love the fact that this wig kit, the construction of the cap helps keep this lace in place, and also the built-in adjustable strap added some extra security, and this wig is tight, y'all. The only thing that really wasn't tight was the ear tabs. That's normally something I always glue down regardless, so this is a plus. Like, having that extra layer of security is a plus. It's a must. Hot take: synthetic wigs sold the best curls. They got the best curls, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. I need to try this in like a different color or something. It's giving that. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. Would you cop this unit? Would you wear this? That's Samsbeauty again for providing this beautiful unit with the wig kit. Make sure y'all like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the post notifications for the next drop. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.